Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be walking through how to install this Flutter script from this amazing website called canyon.net. So you just want to go ahead and open your browser, your preferred browser, and then type in canyon.net, and you should see this official website. And you want to go ahead to click on your search, and once you do that, you input the preferred scripts that you want to purchase. So for today's video, we're going to be purchasing this Streamit Streamit Flutter application. And yeah, so what you want to go ahead to do is to look through the preview, the screenshot, as well as the documentation of this particular script. So what am I going to be doing today? I'm just going to be showing you how to purchase this script, and I'm also going to show you how to get the required tools in order to start using Flutter in your local machine. Right, so getting started, we want to go ahead to add this script to cart. And when you click on that, you're just going to see this pop-up where it shows you the details of your script. Alright, so you get to get more information about the scripts and the price of the script. So what you want to go ahead to do is to go to checkout. This is where you be redirected to your payment screen, where you add your credentials and payment options as requested. So because of this video, we're not going to be going through this route. This will be really purchase this script, but it's a straightforward process. Go ahead to click on this and get your purchase script. Now that we've purchased our script, we want to go ahead to get the required tools. And one of the tools that we want to get in order to start writing Flutter is Flutter SDK itself. And what you want to go to is your Flutter documentation. So the way you can get there is by searching through docs.flutter.dev. This is going to carry you or navigate you to Flutter's official documentation, where you get to read more about the documentation and understand how to use Flutter properly. Alright, so for this, you want to go ahead to choose our development platform, and for us, we're going to be using Windows because that is our current operating system at the time. And then the next thing you want to go ahead to do is choose your first type of application. So this Streamit is going to be an Android application, so depending on what kind of application that you're going to be running, it can be web or desktop. Streamit is going to be Android, so you want to go ahead to select Android right now. So the next thing you want to do is to confirm that your system actually meets the requirements in order to start using Flutter. So you want to go ahead to read through the documentation and confirm that both your hardware requirements as well as your software requirements are up to the standard. Right. So once you're done with that and the checks are okay, you want to go ahead to download and install Flutter. So currently we have the stable version of Flutter, which is 3.29.2. And just want to go ahead to download this zip. The zip file of the Flutter. So go ahead to click on this button, and then your download should begin in a second. Alright, so the next thing that you want to do is to go ahead and create a folder where you can install Flutter. So what you want to go ahead to do is to create a different directory, most preferably in your C folder, where you call it maybe directory, or you call it app directory, whatever you want to call it, will make it unique. And you want to just go ahead to extract the file into that directory where you want to store the Flutter SDK. So once you're done with that, you want to go ahead to update your Windows variable, where you just go to your environment variable and copy the file, the directory, just the way it is here. So you're going to copy it and add it to your environment variable, so you're good to go. Alright, so once that is done, the next thing we want to get over with is Android Studio. And what you want to go ahead to do right now is to download download Android Studio, and how to get in here is by using developer.android.com, and you should be redirected to this official website where you get to see the download button here. So this is Android Studio. Basically is the official IDE for Android app development, and in order to actually run Flutter, you do need Android Studio. And so what you want to go ahead to do is to read about the release notes, get to know your way around Android Studio by clicking on this button. You're going to see the documentations on what is new in Android Studio and what was existing, the improvements that have been done over the time. And once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and click on this download button here, where you're going to see this pop up, and you want to go ahead and read through these terms and conditions and confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions of Android Studio in order for you to start using it. And once you're done with that, you just want to go ahead and check this box that says that you have agreed and you've read the above terms and conditions. And once you're done, so the current version of Android Studio at the time is Android Studio Mecat. This is 2024.3.1, and you want to go ahead to download this straight up. Go ahead and download it, and the installation process is simple. Just click on it after download and find a .exe file, and then follow the process that comes up after that. So finally, the last thing we want to get is Visual Studio, and here you have 4 different options in order to get it. So what you want to go ahead to do is to click on Windows, and your download should begin, and just unzip it till it's saved, and then install it to your local machine, and then we're good to go. Alright, so now once all that is done, you want to go ahead to locate your purchased script. So for me, I'm going to go through this, and then I'm going to select the script here, and I'm deciding to open it in my Visual Studio rather than opening it in Android Studio. And what you want to go ahead to do is just expand this so you can see it very well. And this is how our code base looks like overall. So we just want to go ahead to do this prospect YAML. These are the packages that we have at the moment in this code base. So the next thing you want to do is to run the application, and by doing so, you want to go ahead to connect your emulator. So either you're going to use your physical device, or you want to go ahead to use Android Studio emulator. So you just link that up and get to run the application. Okay, so our application is up and running. So this is how it looks like. We're just gonna go ahead to allow this, and this is the onboarding screen, which looks super nice. And then we can just go ahead to get started. So that is our application, and that's how to install the script. Thank you very much.